Sanibona bafethu, uvane lo. Ngisathanda kuthola iy'ndaba-ke la ey'qhamukayo kwiphephandaba elikhishwe yi-The South African. So leli phepha-ke lishilo la liyachaza ukuthi umdlali we-Orlando Pirates uRelebohile Mofokeng is on a radar of a club ebidlala kwi-Club World Cup. Leyo club leyo iFluminense. Kuthiwa uMofokeng ufunwa iclub yaseBrazil, the Brazilian Giants. They saw i-performance kaMofokeng last season. Performance yakhe umjida scoring 27 goals in the 2024-2025 season, actually being involved in 27 goals yabo. So they need umdlalo onjengoRelebohile Mofokeng. Uma nikhumbula kahle-ke le club le ibidlala kwi-Club World Cup. Njengoba idlala nje kwi-Club World Cup, ngizwile kuthiwa i-linked uRibeiro, umdlali futhi odlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. URibeiro-ke bafuthu siyamazi bafuthu. Yena neMamelodi Sundowns right now izinto zabo angazi zimiphi. Yabo sathana kuwina i-Betway Premiership player of the season uRibeiro bafethu asazi noma uzawuqhubeka ayidlalele iMamelodi Sundowns ngoba ekhona nje ama-team ale ko-Qatar ayamfuna noFluminense nayo ngizwile kuthiwa i-interested ekumsayinini. But-ke kuyindaba eze-Orlando Pirates, iy'ndaba ze-Orlando Pirates angithandi-ke mpela ukuthi iy'ndaba zayo ngiyikhulume kanje because iy'ndaba zayo siyizwa ngayo Orlando Pirates yabo. Sizwile iy'ndaba ey'phumile ziphumile ey'nsukwini iy'ndaba zakhe uRelebohile Mofokeng ukuthi i-Altifak kuthiwa ibisiyifakile imali yasho ukuthi imjida iyamfuna ngempela ngo-30 million. Yebo imfuna nje u-30 million, kuthiwa ama-personal terms abesivumiwe yabo sekuyikona ukuthi thathwe ipeni yabo kusayinwe phansi ukuthi umjida uyasayina for i-Altifak. Nako-ke naye sekuphume iy'ndaba la kuthiwa nayo iclub yaseBrazil enkulu yabo. Club le futhi enkulu kakhulu, asazi noma izokhipha imali engaphezulu yini okudlula iFluminense abo okudlula i-Altifak, because mufuna uMofokeng kumele ukhiphe imali engconywana yabo. Kumele ukhiphe imali engconywana. Lo 30 million for me as an Orlando Pirates fan awazi deep, but-ke angazi noma le ndaba ziyiqiniso noma zamanga yini, but-ke I was here to update. Ngangitshela ama-comments it is a good thing for uMofokeng ukuthi aye kwiFluminense noma it's a bad thing. Ngangitshela bafethu kuma-comments ngifuna ukuzwa ngani yabo. Kuyaqala ngempela ukuthi kwenzekile kanje ukuthi iclub yaseBrazil izobheka eSouth Africa. I know seko vele badlala before, but esikhathini samanje akusajwayelekile yabo. Ngaba i-pathway ye-right for uMofokeng because many European teams like to go to Brazil to look for talent. We saw the player that was playing for Fluminense right now useyodlalela iWolves yabo. Umjida useyodlalela iWolves. I'm sure sebefuna another replacement yalowo mjida lo. So going for Ribeiro, going for uMofokeng might be a good idea for Fluminense because they saw ukuthi kunebhola, kuyadlalwa ibhola langempela eSouth Africa yabo. Kune-market e-right kakhulu. Ama-team amaningi ayabona ukuthi kune-talent eSouth Africa, so they are heading to South Africa to buy South African players, to buy players who are playing in Betway Premiership. Ngangitshela ama-comments, how do you feel about le ndaba lezi? But-ke izona iy'ndaba engiyithola manje bafethu. Fluminense is linked with uMofokeng. Orlando Pirates kumele iphendule iy'ncingo.